With Russia using old as new tanks, using what they have in reserve or what they can produce currently, resulting in Ukraine's drone army either destroying a few weeks old tank or something over 60 years old. Here an old tank had been abandoned, with a skillful drone operator with a large payload on the drone was homing in on the open hatch, being able to drop in and take one last look inside in the old tank before it finally retires, destroying one more of Russia's tanks, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.